there, my fabulous Power Moves family. I'm so excited. We're in our third week of Power Moves, so congratulations on making your next move your best move. I know we're not completely there yet, but we're doing the work. And in order for you to move forward and make things happen, you have to do the work. So this week, I don't really have an assignment necessarily, but I did want to break down a few things that I mentioned in the last video, including fear. You know, I ask you all to think about what do you think has been holding you back, and in my experience, it's usually fear. So this week, I wanted to just share with you how paralyzing fear can be, regardless of what level it is. Fear will keep you bound, it will keep you stuck, it will keep you talking and frustrated and daydreaming and not moving. So in my experience, again, I've experienced, most people, of course, fear of failure, but there's fear of criticism. What will people say? There's fear of success. Yes, it says success. Some people are actually afraid to win. There's fear of the unknown. That was my biggest fear. If I couldn't predict what was going to happen, if I couldn't plan every single move, then I was afraid to make moves. So I'm sure that, you know, each of you may be suffering from one of them, including limiting beliefs. So if you told yourself, I can't, then you're right. You can't. You know, I understand we have people in our life that put us down, but at some point you have to really dig deep and realize the gifts that you own and make things happen, because you're gifted. You have the power to move forward and change some things and bring some things to pass. So anyway, just process those things, and there's going to be a lot of you all who can't do it on your own. That's where I come in at. So make sure, you know, you reach out to me, go to my website, leave a comment, you know, on Facebook. And this week, I want you all, in addition to sharing the video, but use the hashtag Team Power Moves. Anyway, it's time for me to go, but I want to make sure I remind you, live life fearlessly. Success, happiness, and freedom is yours. Let's take it.